anything inappropriate. And no, I don't know if they can or can't, which is I didn't change it to the fast tone handles. The imagery. This is their arrogance created December 31st, 1969. That's the arrogance that is the Chinese Great Wall of Evil. It's level taunting like a personal knife in the back of the head.
It must be dismantled.
Get it on video, it's not going to change till we make a video of that arrogance.
Get that arrogance on video. It's what's hijacking your call to me right now. 424-229-4140. And I guarantee you, me asking for a 9/11 Flight 93 check for a decade and not getting one, that's a check of all Americans' lifelines. I guarantee you, if your phone's not allowed to work when you need the fire and police paramedics, it's going to be just as newsworthy as me asking for that and not getting any certified mail either. About those 93 checks. Make that 93 check video, point out the Great Wall of Evil, tear it down.